36 years ago, an idea was born to make a truck-mounted cleaning plant that was easier to use, required less maintenance, and left more room in your van for all of your other gear. That idea has evolved into the cleaning and restoration industry's most iconic, refined, and profit-making truck mount, the HydraMaster CDS 4.8 SV. Now the #1 selling direct drive truck mount in the world is ready for the next generation of Chevy GMC vans equipped with V8 6.6-liter engines. And quite simply, it is the most powerful CDS ever made in its 36-year history. The newly refined CDS 4.8 SV employs a streamlined power transfer system, increased vacuum performance, a more consistent heat delivery system, and it does all that without compromising its industry-leading, space-saving design. So just what are the enhancements to the CDS 4.8 SV? Increased vacuum performance with the Gardner Denver Tri-Flow 408 blower increases vacuum CFM by 25%, achieving 500 plus CFM. Streamlined power transfer system designed for the next generation of Chevy GMC vans equipped with the V8 6.6-liter engine. New plate heat exchanger technology is replacing the shell and tube heat exchangers tied to the vehicle's coolant system. These PHEs are smaller, weigh less, and take up less space, but achieve the same level of heat delivery even more consistently. The space-saving design continues to provide you with the most room in the back of your van for all of your other gear. Sacrificial anodes have been added to the solution recovery tank to reduce corrosion and extend tank life. Cast aluminum adapters are now standard on the blower and solution recovery tank, which resist corrosion and last longer. A tighter fitting power pack cowling reduces noise and keeps the van cooler. The relocation of the stop-start module controller provides easier access and allows for smoother engine shutdown. The Salsa heat booster system now comes standard, and it utilizes a heat exchanger with less fin density to reduce maintenance, but does so without sacrificing heat accumulation. Another refinement to the CDS 4.8 SV that previous owners of CDS units will love are enhancements to the water box. The water box controls the incoming water to the truck mount. Brass fittings have replaced plastic fittings for increased strength and reliability. We've removed the top vent and replaced it with an overflow hose to prevent water damage and leaks. An inline filter has been added inside the water box to prevent debris from entering the pump and machine. And finally, we've relocated the recirculation orifice to allow for easier access and maintenance. 36 plus years of continuous improvement and honing in on the exact features and performance an ever-changing cleaning and restoration industry demanded to make money anytime, anywhere with the most secure and quiet operation. Reliable, durable, dependable. A proven track record of performance with the industry's highest resale value. Simple to operate and easy to train your technicians. Lower maintenance and ease of serviceability reduces cost and downtime. Flexible and powerful enough for any cleaning or restoration function. Dual wand cleaning, carpet and upholstery cleaning, hard surface floor cleaning, water extraction and flood cleanup, pressure washing and post-construction cleanup. Best of all, the CDS 4.8 SV is backed by the HydraMaster hassle-free ownership experience. This isn't some kind of limited warranty. It's a comprehensive bumper-to-bumper warranty across the entire machine. The local distributor is available to you for complete warranty and service support. Faster, better, and easier warranty support over the 3-year bumper-to-bumper warranty puts you at comfort. 24/7, 365 online and app-based operations and troubleshooting support, the best technical support team in the industry is available for you to talk to. For more information, contact your local HydraMaster distributor or visit us at www.hydramaster.com.